If you're looking for a powerful smart projector packed with features like autofocus, 4K support, 700 ANSI brightness, and Wi-Fi 6, then the WiMiUS P62 is a projector worth checking out. It's designed for outdoor movie nights, indoor home theaters, and even casual gaming, with stunning visuals and smooth connectivity. I bought this from Amazon, and if you want the best price and any discount coupons, check out the link in the description. Let's start with picture quality. This projector delivers native 1080p resolution with 4K input support, producing sharp, detailed visuals. The 700 ANSI lumens make the brightness solid even in low-light outdoor setups, and colors are vivid and accurate, whether at a movie night or a sports match. This projector holds up beautifully. The autofocus and 6D Keystone correction are standout features. No more manually adjusting lenses or messing with angles. The projector automatically sharpens and aligns the screen for you. It even supports 50% zoom, so you can resize the display without moving the projector. Connectivity is next level. With Wi-Fi 6, the streaming experience is ultra-fast and stable, and Bluetooth 5.2 allows you to pair with external speakers, headphones, or soundbars easily. The built-in speaker is decent, but for real immersion, I recommend pairing it with Bluetooth soundbar or speaker. It works seamlessly with iOS, Android, laptops, and TV sticks, making it a great choice for any setup. Plus, the sleek design and compact build make it easy to set up anywhere, whether indoors or outdoors. Overall, the WiMiUS P62 is one of the best smart projectors in its range, offering top-tier features like autofocus, 700 ANSI brightness, Wi-Fi 6, and full 4K support. It's perfect for anyone looking to create a cinematic experience at home or outdoors. Check out the Amazon link in the description to grab yours at the best price.